Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher, Muhammad Abdul Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif. Today we will continue our lecture number 20 and exercise 2.7. Last time we completed our question number 2 of your exercise 2.7. Question number 3 and 4 are similar. So I think it is better to solve question number 4. I'm going to solve question number 4. X plus y is equal to a minus b. X plus y is equal to a minus b. This is your equation number 1. Second equation is a over x minus b over y. A over x minus b over y is equal to 2. This is equation number, okay, we can simplify one step and then we gave the name to this. You know that in this equation, what is LCM? What is LCM? X and y, they are different numbers. So LCM is always taken by multiplying the different numbers. So multiplying both sides by xy into a over x minus xy into b over y is equal to 2xy. Here y cancelled, x cancelled. We are left with ay minus bx is equal to 2xy. This is your equation number 2 now. From equation 1, we will find y in terms of x. Bring this x to the right hand side and name it as equation number 3, just like your previous question. Now using this value of y here in equation number 2, using value of y in equation number 2, a into a minus b minus x minus bx is equal to 2x into a minus b minus x. Here is a square minus ab minus ax minus bx plus 2ax minus 2bx minus 2x here. We open up the far brackets and this is a square minus ab minus ax minus bx and 2ax. Here is minus 2bx. Bring right hand side terms to the left hand side and first term will be x square term. So write down in order, descending order. 2x square minus ax and here is minus 2ax. I told you I am writing down the equation in descending order. First term is x square, second is x term. Similarly, here is minus bx plus 2bx. Minus bx and bring this minus 2bx, this will be plus 2bx. And at the end we have minus AB. Minus AB is equal to 0. AB is equal to 0. 2x square minus 3ax plus bx minus AB is equal to 0. We can write down in positive term, you can write down positive term first, bx minus 3ax minus ab. Actually, positive term is written first and negative afterwards so that it will be easy for you to understand the next steps. Here you can have 2x square plus b minus 3a into x minus ab is equal to 0. So we have taken x common from central two terms. After that, this is your quadratic equation, standard quadratic equation, in which, because a small a b are involved here, so it is better to express your constants as capital letters. Suppose capital A is equal to 2, capital B is B minus 3A, capital C is minus AB. I'm using quadratic formula to solve this equation. Quadratic formula. Using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root over 2a. Using these values here is x is equal to minus into b minus 3a plus minus b minus 3a whole square, 4 into a is 2 and c is minus ab, whole divided by 2 into a, that is 2. 2 into a, that is 2 here. After that, minus into b minus 3a plus minus, open up the formula of square, b square minus 6ab plus 9a square and plus 8ab, whole divided by 4. Remember that this is first square minus 2 into first second plus second square and open up minus minus plus 8ab divided by 4 minus b minus 3a plus minus, remember that nine a square, now this is 9a square. This will be, but it must not be 9a square. B minus 3a. Okay, so this is 9a square plus 2ab. Now I have to solve it. Now check. So students, we have this number. Was our equation, basic equation. Wrote that already. It was ay minus bx is equal to 2xy. I think it was ay minus bx equal to 2xy. So a into ay minus bx is equal to 2xy. We have to apply the values of y. A minus b minus x minus bx is equal to 2x into a minus b minus x. A square minus ab minus ax minus bx plus 2ax minus 2bx and minus 2x square. I think we missed this term at the end. That was the reason I missed this bring these terms to the left hand side. 2x square minus ax minus 2ax minus bx plus 2bx plus a square minus ab is equal to 0. That was the reason. A square was missed, I think. Yes, a square was missed. So 2x square plus bx minus 3ax plus a square minus ab is equal to 0. 2x square plus b minus 3a into x, a square minus ab is equal to 0. Dear students, you can check. A is equal to 2, b is equal to b minus 3a, c is equal to a square minus ab. We will apply the formula. Here we can write down y is equal to a minus b minus x. That was your equation number 3. I don't want to rub this until I will use the quadratic formula. So it is better to use the quadratic formula here. Using x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root over 2a. So here is minus into b minus 3a plus minus b minus 3a whole square minus 4 into a is 2, c is a square minus ab. Yes, now it will be correct, inshallah. I missed this one term, so that was the reason we could not find. Actually, I knew that what must be the terms. And at the end, this is b square minus 6ab plus 9a square minus 8a square plus 8ab. Yes. Here will be 4. Dear students, this is minus b minus 3a plus minus 9a square minus 8a square is a square plus 2ab plus b square over 4. So we can write down minus b plus 3a plus minus, this is actually a plus b whole square whole under root over 4. Whole under root over 4. After that, now we can rub this part safely. Here is x is equal to minus b plus 3a plus minus a plus b over 4. This square and square root is cancelled out. So x is equal to minus b plus 3a plus a plus b over 4, and x is equal to minus b plus 3a minus a plus b over 4. Once positive, once negative. Here you can have minus b plus 3a plus a plus b over 4. b cancelled out. This is 4a over 4. 4 cancelled out. We have a. X is equal to a. X is equal to minus b plus 3a minus b over 4. 3a minus a is 2a minus b and minus b minus 2b over 4, 2 common. A minus b over 4 you can cut, cancel this 4. X is equal to a minus b over 2. Dear students, we got the value, two values of x as x is equal to a and x is equal to a minus b over 2. Now one by one we will apply these x values here in equation number 3 to find value of y. If x is equal to a, then y is equal to a minus b minus a. is equal to a cancelled out. Your first point in the answer is a minus b. If x is equal to a minus b over 2, then y is equal to a minus b minus a minus b over 2. Take 2 as LCM. It will be 2a minus 2b, 2 cancelled out, minus a plus b. Remember that when you open up the bracket, there will be change of sign. 2a minus a is a, minus 2b plus b is minus b over 2. So your second point in your solution set is a minus b over 2, a minus b over 2. Therefore, your solution set contains a minus b over 2, a minus b over 2. That is your answer, that is your solution. After that, we have question number 5 and 6. Remember that in case of question number 5 and 6, they are similar. Question number 7, 8, 9 are similar. So in this way, we can choose one part from each similar parts. Question number 5 and 6. Here I can take question number 6. Question number 6. X plus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 5. Here is x plus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 5. We will open up the scale formulas. Here we can have x square plus 2x plus 1. Remember that x plus 1 whole square is this one. First square plus 2ab plus second square. Similarly, y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 5. Implies that the second one is x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square is equal to 5. Now we can write down these equations in proper order above and below and subtract. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. Remember that I have written these two equations in proper shape. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 2 minus 5. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 4 minus 1. And here you can subtract, change the sign. This is cancelled out. X square, y square cancelled out. This is minus 2x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here is 2y is equal to 2x plus 2 and y is equal to 2x plus 2 over 2. That is 2 common. X plus 1 over 2 cancel, that is x plus 1. Here we have y is equal to x plus 1. Y is equal to x plus 1. This is your equation number 3. Actually, first is this is equation number 1 and this one is 2. We can use value of y to any one equation number 1 or 2, and then we solve that. Using y is value of y. using value of y in equation number 1, we can have x plus 1 square plus, instead of y I am applying x plus 1 square is equal to 5. X plus 1 square plus x plus 2 square minus 5 is equal to 0. Here is x square plus 2x plus 1. Open up the formula of scale. Actually, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We are continuously applying this formula. X square plus 2 into first into second, 4x plus 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. We can have 2x square plus 6x plus 4 plus 1 is 5 and minus 5 cancelled out. This is 0. X square plus 6x, and you can take 2x common, x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x common, x plus 3 is 0. 2x is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. Dear students, you have two values of x. These values of x will be applied here one by one to find the value of y. In this way you can find your answer. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 plus 1, that is 1. So your first point in the answer is 0, 1. If x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Second point is minus 3 minus 2. Your solution set of this question is 0, 1, minus 3, minus 2. We can take this answer. That is question number 6, 2.7. 2.7, question number 6. Yes, 0, 1 and minus 3, minus 2. Yes, the same answer is. After that, we have question number 7, 8 and 9. They are similar and we have to solve them. Your previous answer is also correct. I have checked from the book. That is a and minus b and a minus b over 2 and a minus b over 2. Now we can choose question number 9. Question number 9 is 7x square minus 3y square is equal to 4. 2x square plus 5y square is equal to 7. Yes, 7x square minus 3y square is equal to 4. And second one is 2x square plus 5y square is equal to 7. This is equation number 1 and this is 2. Now you have to make the coefficients of any x or y equal. You have to make the coefficients of x or y equal by multiplying suitable number. For example, in first equation you have minus 3 here and this is 5. We have to make the coefficients same. Very easy. Cross multiply. 3 with 5 and 5 with 3. So it means that equation number 1 is multiplied by 5. Equation number 2 is multiplied by 3. And we have 7x square minus 3y square is equal to 4. 2x square plus 5y square is equal to 7. This will be multiplied by 5 and this is 3. 35x square minus 15y square is equal to 20. 6x square plus 15y square is equal to 21. Now adding, because this is minus, this is plus, already they have the opposite sign, cancel them. 41x square is equal to 41 and x square is equal to 41 over 41, that is 1, and x square is equal to 1 and x is equal to plus minus 1. This is x is equal to plus minus 1. Put this value of x anywhere in equation 1 or 2. Then we can find the value of y. Using value of x in equation number 2, using x is equal to plus minus 1 in equation number 2, 2 into plus minus 1 square plus 5y square is equal to 7. You know that this is plus minus 1 square. Square will make positive, even negative and positive both are positive. So you are left with 2 into 1. 5y square is equal to 7 minus 2. 5y square is equal to 5. Y square is equal to 5 over 5, that is 1. And y is equal to plus minus 1. Dear students, your answer is, solution set is containing plus minus 1 and plus minus 1. You can write down the answer in this way. That was your question number 9. So in this way, you can check the other question, you can solve the other question by yourself. I hope that you can complete it. And if you have any problem, then you can contact me, and inshallah we will solve the question. In this way we finish our lecture number 20. Inshallah in the next lecture we will solve the other type of the question, that is question number 10 and 11. Basically question number 10 and 11 are similar type, and question number 12 and 13 are of similar type. So in this way we can do, inshallah. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.